In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $5 just by exchanging 15 times of your time. It doesn't need skills, and it doesn't need upfront investment. All you have to do is to watch the video. And if you didn't subscribe, guys, this is my channel, BekriBizTV. I make videos about how to make money online, showing you different ways and different possibilities to do that. This is great value for you, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure to do that, because you'll stay informed whenever I put a new video, okay? But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. CashKarma, guys, is an application that you can download from App Store or Play Store. That depends on the phone that you have, okay? What you can do is you can take surveys on the go, do micro tasks, video ads, download ads, and so on, okay? And what I love about this application is that you get 300 points once you install the application, which is another great thing that you won't see on other apps. So a lot of apps don't even give that away, okay? So when you sign up, you'll get 300 points, okay? And you have a lot of opportunities to make money or to make points on this application. And once you do that, you can exchange them for money. So all you have to do is to accumulate those points easily, because all you need is exchanging your time. There is no skill required. And like you're seeing here, there are a lot of ways to do this, okay? There are a lot of ways to make money on this application. And also the cool thing is that what you get when you just starting is the least that you can get for the things that you have to do, because you start at level 1, and in this application there are levels, okay? So the more you get, or the more you level up, the more you will make for the same thing that you were doing before. And also what you can get, guys, is a 5% bonus each time you complete an offer, which is another additional good thing. And also what I like about this is that people are loving it, okay? Just take a look at those reviews, guys, on Play Store. People are loving it, okay? If you go here, you see 4.5, okay? This is the overall rating from 44,014 review, okay? Which is a great thing. So people are loving it, and because people are loving it, this means this is legit. This is a legit application, and that will pay you in time. And also it's free PayPal money, because you don't need any skill to do this, okay? So you can download the application from Play Store, okay, here, or you can go to the website CashKarma.io. I'm going to put the link in the description. Click on Get Karma and download it for iPhone or Android phone. That depends on the phone that you have, okay? So you will get also 1,000 bonus points for the first person you refer to this application, and you will also earn 10% of all earnings of your referrals, which is another great thing, because that means you can make passive income from this application even if you're not doing the work. Just by referring other people to this application, once they make, for example, $20, you'll make $2, okay? That's another additional great thing. So if you would like to support your living, so CashKarma, guys, is a legit application for doing the surveys on offers on the go and watching videos, okay? Well, however, this application will not make you rich, okay? This application will not make you rich. You can earn some pocket money or some extra money to spend on your frugal needs. But let me show you, if you want to do the referral thing, what you can do, guys, is just go out there and search for something that is called personal finance discussion forums, okay? So personal finance discussion forums, you can write, for example, a simple article. For example, I made like $20 just by using this application, or something positive about this application, CashKarma. And once people go and read your article, they will find the link in the down below. Once they click on your link and they sign up, when you will get 10 points, sorry, not 10 points, but 100 points, bonus points. And once they make something, you will make 10% of that. Just imagine how much money you can make if you do the same thing on Reddit, on Quora, and also on those discussion forums. You increase your exposure, okay? And this is how you can make real money with this application, not just by doing the surveys, but also you will have to put in consideration to refer other people to this application so that you can make real money with this one. Okay, so but if you want a real business, if you want to make real money and have something for you and not just relying on a website that has something for you, something that you manage, okay, what I want you to do is to go to one of my videos. Okay, for example, this one or this one that you're watching, go to the description box. So I want you to click on this link right here, okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing for a living. So this is a great thing to do, and if you want my opinion, this is my first recommendation, and this is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one.